Welcome to SA Science Spotlight Podcast. We are here to give you yet again an amazing experiment. The title of our experiment today is Young Double Slit Experiment. And I am not alone, but today I'm not with the other Tshepho. I'm with the Tshepho in blue. Tshepho, how are you?
I'm good, you know?
I'm also good. Today you're going to be our demonstrator for this experiment. And what is the objective for this experiment?
So the objective of the experiment today is to prove what light is.
To prove
Yeah.
what light is.
Yeah.
So obviously the other Tshepho always uses ingredients, no shade Tshepho, but today's Tshepho is a real scientist. He is actually a first year PhD student. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Tshepho, your kitchen things are not going to work today. He's in the background, guys. Real scientist today. No jokes. Okay, yeah. How are we going to achieve this objective?
Okay, so we're going to be using a laser beam to project light on the screen there. But that light is going to pass through a double slit.
Oh,
So we have an opening here that has double slits, right? So if you pass light through there, what normally people expect is to see those two lines projected there, right? Yeah. But because light is a wave, as it passes through those slits, it will create waves that are going to interfere with each other and then create like a wave pattern there.
okay.
That will prove that light is actually not just a collection of particles, but also particles that move in space as waves.
Oh, nice. I'm also understanding where the double slit comes from now.
yeah.
Okay, so before we even dwell into the experiment, can you tell me what is this practically used for? How can we apply it practically?
So, like any physics, development, every time you understand something, that means it opens up doors for applications, right?
True.
So, for this one, if you understand what light is, then you can use light because it's very abundant for various applications. One of them being solar energy, right? Solar cells, and blah blah blah. That's the experiment. So, if you can understand what light is, the doors will open.
Can I tell you the truth? Most of the time when I see laser, I think of guns. So you're not going to shoot me today, okay?
Nah.
Okay, it's just
Yeah,
laser.
this is
Okay,
very
very.
low energy.
Okay, understood.
Sure.
I think you can demonstrate, show us the experiment.
Sure.
Yes. Okay, we're just going to switch off the lights. Yeah.
Yeah, so at first, what we expect to see, if the slit was, if light was just a beam of particles, we should see like a beam like that, right, on the screen. And if we increase the number of slits, we should see those slits reflected there, right? But because this light is not just particle beams, it's particles that move in space as waves.
Yes.
This is what we actually see. See that? An interference pattern. So basically, as light passes through those slits, it creates waves passing through those slits simultaneously, right? And then as they pass, they interfere with each other. And then where that light, where those waves interfere constructively, you see those bright spots. And then where those waves interact destructively, they cancel each other out. So that's the dark spots.
Oh, so instead of seeing it as a beam, we now see it as.
It's literally like beams of bright spots and then dark spots.
Oh, nice, nice. I hope you guys saw that as well. And I think I learned a lot of things about light today. Yes.
Exactly. Now the applications, right?
Yes. The applications, you said what and what?
It's solar cells.
Solar
Yeah,
cells.
solar cells and basically anything that uses light for applications. Because now I think people are using light in hydrogen production, right? Yeah, and also catalysis to remove carbon dioxide. Yeah, so those applications they stem from this kind of discoveries.
If you're like myself and you did learn something today, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. We bring in more experiments each and every week. And I want to remind you that you have to subscribe because the next one is also going to be bigger and better. Maybe we'll get the previous Tshepho back to bring back his ingredients, and maybe we'll do a chemistry one, Tshepho. But from SA Science Spotlight podcast, we are out and we will see you next time.